That's right, everyone. It's time for another unboxing and video or product review. This product is from Glotech Automotive, Lexington, Kentucky. So, yeah. Whoa. So, yeah, I got my address on there. Cut this open. Been getting a lot of packages lately. Elsa, got some bubbles in here. Want some bubbles? Want some bubbles? All right. Another little pack. Here's your box. Want to try to get in that one? All right, little box. It's partial the way open. Got some mounting feet. Some more mounting feet. Supposed to put all these in one box. And then we got. They're lightweight, but they're nice. They're big. These are LED flood work lights that I'm going to put on my headache rack to use to light up my bed of my truck. 2 of them. Pretty cool. They're lightweight. They're not heavy. They got good heat sink on the back. I'll make them to where I can, have them folded down to where I don't need them, and then when I need them, I can fold them up. Very cool. Very lightweight, but very durable. It's got a good cable goes in. These are on Amazon. Should be getting my computer stuff set up soon, so I can start putting links in the description. Way I can start linking this, so I'll go back up a bunch of my videos and link stuff I've done. But yeah, I'll have to get these put together and let's see what they look like. Then I'll show you where we're going to put them. Okay. We went ahead, got our bracket mounted. Put it on a bolt that will swivel, so I can swivel the light side to side if I need to, or turn it just to the side, or I need it to. So I want to put the light like this, run that cable back through there. I'm gonna run this through here. That's cool, because it can be down like that, or kind of up like that when I don't need it. Maybe keep dropping the nut here. You don't want to tighten them up too much because I want to be able to move it. Maybe I got the wrong tools. No, it didn't. I can do this. Go the opposite way here. Flip the thing to tighten. All right. A little bit more. A little bit more. It's a little better, but it's a little loose, so I'm going to have to get a deal to tighten. So we'll go ahead and grab you guys. Set you up here a little different, looking at the sky. Okay, go ahead and put this side in. I'm sure they work. I haven't tested them yet, but go ahead and just put it in. I'll go through this way this time first. No, maybe not, because that weld will go this way. Got a Wizzy nut on. Get it to where I can get it to a little bit better. Alright. Flop it down. Turn it just a skosh. Figure out which one of these goes where. Take it down. Stay on there. Tight, bring it back to center. Put that down. That area there. Wire will all be on one switch. That one looks good. So I can kind of fold it down a little bit, and I'll run my cable down like so. So it is all up and up, and then when I need it, I can fold it up. Can turn it to the side if I need to illuminate any type of lighting or anything in that nature. Just go ahead and flip it down. This one over here, I'm going to get my wrench and tighten that nut up on the bottom, and I will be. All right. Well, got these. I think these are 4 or 5 inch floods. I've got other lights to put on and wire, so I want to do all the wiring all in one day. I've still got lights back here in the bumper to do. We're going to cut those out and put those flush mounts in there and get those hooked up to that black wire, so that'll be a quick and easy hookup. These will have to hook up. I'm going to hook them up to one switch. I'm going to run a lot of this is going to get tucked into conduit hose, so I'm going to have to probably see if I can get maybe like 3/4 inch conduit hose. I still got a zip tie over there I got to cut off. I zip tied a bunch of wires together for now, and then I want to get some conduit to kind of come up and cover this. Probably get a small package of 3/8. I think 3/8 would be perfect for that. To cover that, I want to get a little piece for the light bar wire, which it'll all be in. If I can get 3/4, I can probably put all these wires right up in here in 3/4 inch conduit tubing. These guys we still got left to do. I've got some coming for it. Still got one of these that are good. One of these got water in them. They're the Euro Life, so if you ever try those, you might want to be aware that, well, not always, because this one's the same one and it didn't get water in it. I'm going to probably take it in, let it dry out, see if the LEDs will come back, and go from there. What I got coming is another 7 inch, but they are a little different. They are spot flood combination, but the spot is a round optic and the flood is like an eyeball optic. So yeah, that's going to be different to see how those look. I'm also looking into getting some brighter LED fog light bulbs for the fog lights, and possibly even maybe replacing the lenses to be clear. I've still got the hideaways to get and put in. Also want to put some more of these JD A-Star or Master or whatever you call them. I want to put that style in my running light turning signals. That's how that looks from the back. I think that's pretty cool. Got the light bar, the speed tech bar, and these lights. Also, was looking at doing. I'm going to put the speed tech. I was going to put the round ones in here, but I measured and they're 5 inches or almost 5 inches. They won't. They're too tall. So I'm gonna have to put the square one in. I'll just put it in there. It would basically stick up above that and the lid wouldn't shut all the way. So that's that. So there is those lights. Like I say, we'll get it all lit up one day. here this week, as we got snow possibly coming this week, so I'll be doing a lot of this stuff this week and getting them wired in. I went ahead and get them mounted so you guys could see them, what I had in mind. And then when I'm not using them, just so they're not accidentally getting kicked on and more wind resistant, I might have to probably put this wire up through here just so it stays, or zip tie it or tape it or something. They're pointed down, so it's kind of like a unity spotlight for like police use and stuff. We'll just kind of angle them down. We could even angle them in, whatever we have it. It looks pretty cool. But anyway, the lights here on the side are going to get wired to 2 separate switches. This one will be on one switch, the other one will be on the other. They'll be alley lights basically. I was going to mount some here, but I thought, why not do flush mount? Be really cool. So and then eventually I want to do Herculiner on this headache rack. Once I get some stuff done, just kind of brush it on there and maybe even take it off and roll it on there. I'm not quite for sure. I want to do the snowplow in Herculiner, or even bed liner, bed spray like I did here, which seems to be lasting pretty good. So that's that. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.